we study about participle grammar. So, please understand about grammar participle. There are two kinds of participle in English: present participle ending with ing, as in we are going, and at the past participle generally ending with ed or d for many verbs, and with other letter in the other verbs, as in have you decided new house are being built, it's not broken. Participle are often used in writing to introduce subordinate clause that relate to the other word in a sentence. E.g., her mother, opening the door quietly, came into the room where it is her mother who is opening the door. Another example are hearing a noise. I went out to look, having been born. Is a dial. He spent most of his life in the area. Participle at the beginning of the sentence, as in the last example, are perfectly acceptable grammatically, but when they are overs, they can produce a poor style.